In today's video, we will discuss MRI SI joint in detail. This video is especially helpful for people suffering from lower back pain, hip pain, and inflammatory back conditions. What is the SI joint? The sacroiliac joint, or SI joint, is the joint between the sacrum and the iliac bones of the pelvis. It plays a vital role in transferring body weight from the upper body to the legs and maintaining stability during movement. What is MRI SI joint? MRI SI joint is an advanced imaging test that provides detailed images of the bones, cartilage, ligaments, and surrounding soft tissues of the SI joint. MRI does not use ionizing radiation, which makes it a safer diagnostic option. Why is MRI SI joint done? MRI SI joint is advised when chronic lower back pain persists, morning stiffness lasts for a long time, pain radiates to the hips or buttocks, ankylosing spondylitis is suspected, sacroiliitis needs evaluation, X-ray or CT scans are inconclusive. What conditions can MRI SI joint detect? MRI SI joint can detect sacroiliitis, ankylosing spondylitis, early inflammatory changes, joint erosion or sclerosis, bone marrow edema, infection, trauma, degenerative changes. How is MRI SI joint performed? The patient lies still on the MRI table during the scan. The procedure usually takes 20 to 30 minutes. In some cases, contrast material may be used to evaluate infection or tumors. Preparation before MRI SI joint. Remove all metallic objects. Inform about pacemakers or implants. Notify the staff if you have claustrophobia. Why is MRI SI joint important? MRI SI joint helps in early detection of inflammatory diseases. Early diagnosis, especially in ankylosing spondylitis, leads to better treatment outcomes. If you have persistent lower back pain, do not ignore it. Consult your doctor and get proper evaluation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.